Hello guys, today we roasted and preserved our pepper. In Italy now is the right season, so the pepper are very big, so we want to roast and preserve for the winter, because in the winter we cannot find the real pepper, but only the small one that they grow in some small plastic house. I don't know the name in English. I prepared the wood. Now I will on the fire. The difference when you make the roasted pepper and the normal barbecue is that instead of using the brick, we need the fire, because now we will burn the skin of this pepper, and after we will remove it and show you how you can preserve, or in the glass jar or in the bag that you can put in the refrigerator. But I'll show you later. So now let's on the fire, and after let's roasted our pepper. After that you roasted them, you can make the barbecue with the brick that remain. This is why after that I roasted the pepper, I will make the canned chicken barbecue. I'll show you in the next video. We close our pepper in a plastic bag. In this way they will sweat. I don't know if the right word to use it, but because they are still hot inside the bag, the skin will fall down better and faster. So see you in 15-20 minutes. It's very easy to remove the skin and also the seeds. Now you can choose. If you put in the jar like I will do, you should make a small strips. If you want to use for other recipe, you can keep big like this, and you can put in the plastic bag and put in the refrigerator. At the end of the video I show you how you can use the other solution, because now this one I will cut in these small strips and put in the jar. If some black pieces remain, you can remove with the paper. Now we put the jar in a pot with some water, and after we put on the fire, on the stove. We on the fire, and when the water starts boiling, we off the fire, we keep the lid on the pot, and we wait until tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning they will be sealed, and we can store where you prefer, in the kitchen, in the basement. For the testing, I will use a jar that I have done 2 weeks ago. See you later for the testing. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, and to watch all the other videos. If you have some requests, some questions, some suggestions, please let me know. Bye bye.